Dear students, today we are going to recite this poem with rhythm. Okay? What a bird thought. Let's start. I live first in a little house and live there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I live next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Yay! If you like this rhythm, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye students. See you soon.